Good morning, everybody. Today is Monday, January 9th, 2023. It's a new year, and today we're coming with a new hairstyle. We're gonna try to make a bun on today. And by the way, this is Valerie's Magical World. So, everybody, welcome, and let's see this hairstyle. Let's go. Say hi.
Hi everybody, so today we're going to be doing the bun and I'm going to be putting this little ribbon on it, and I have this choker I made. It's going to match with this.
Hopefully you like these hairstyles so that you could tell your mom to do them for you for school. Okay, first I start off by damping the hair by using my water spray, normal water spray bottle that you could purchase at Dollar Tree, and just put water. And then next I put a detangling cream. Right now I'm using the one that's next of us. It's very good, made out of coconut. It has coconut oil and it detangles the hair. And that's normally what I do. I put it all the way to the ends so that it makes it easier to brush the hair. And then we start off from the top on down. Sometimes it's really tangled and sometimes it's not that tangled like y'all seen on the last video. So I always just hold it and then start brushing. But I figured that if you do it this way, it's easier to detangle the hair. Instead of going like this, you go the other way. You go straight down like this way. And it's easier to detangle the hair. If you guys don't know who I am Valerie's mom. I have my own channel for the Spanish community, and my YouTube channel is called Mrs. Ruiz Educational Channel. That is R-U-I-Z. That's my last name, Mrs. Ruiz Educational Channel. So tell your moms and your dads if they speak Spanish. I have a 100% Spanish channel that they could check out, where I help them understand applications that are in English, how to fill out an application. I give them help. I let them know like what kind of federal help is out there and so much more. So make sure they check out my channel. I will leave the link below the description, and just come here every day to check out new videos, new hairstyles, and so much more on Valerie's Magical World. If you like this video, make sure you like it and comment or share the video. Thank you. So this is what I do first. As you see, I'm detangling the hair. Her hair is very long. Okay, turn around a little bit. Okay guys, so after I have untangled all the hair, this long hair, there's a lot of thick long hair, wavy. She takes out her strands like she likes, and I'm just gonna put it where it was. this. And then I like to use this brush for the little baby hairs. This little baby hairs sticking out right here. With this brush. You got the stretch?
I think it's hard to tell.
Like this, guys. You just brush back.
It's not this one.
And it does an awesome job. The brush by itself, just with water, it tames the little baby hairs down. I just brush all the little baby hairs to make them slick. On both sides. You could see it starts to look slick, and then I'll put some a little bit of gel mixed with water. I rub it on my hands, and then I slick the hair down. That's normally what I do. And to do the bun, I just first put it on a ponytail, a normal ponytail, like this. Turn around like that, and then the rubber band holder. Just twist twice. You get it like that. Then I just brush the bottom of her hair. And then I just twist. Turn this way so you can see a little bit. What I do is this. I don't use any kind of donut or anything. I just twist the hair. And then I put another rubber band to hold it in place. Like this. Turn on it so you can see this way. You see how pretty? And then I use another rubber band to hold it in place. Like that. Look how pretty. And then I put something like this as decoration. Look how pretty. And we're also gonna put this ribbon that she wants on her hair. So what I do is make sure that they're even and just tie it like this. And look guys, you could do it however you want. Just make it pretty, and then you just kind of wet the hair so you can slick it down with the gel. And I wet the little strands too, and I'm gonna put some gel and twist, and that's gonna be her hairstyle for today for school. If you guys like these kind of hairstyles, kind of ideas, please give me a like, give this video a like, and make sure you follow us when in the mornings with a new hairstyle, guys. So here I am putting water and gel on her strand, and I'm just twisting with my hand. I don't use any kind of special machines or anything to curling irons or anything to twist. I just use my hands and gel and water, and that pretty much works for me. I don't use any kind of donut shaper or anything for a bun. I just use my hands. And I just lick it back. And if I need the help of the brush, then I'll just get this brush. This is pretty good to tame down those little baby hairs. Like that. And like I said on the previous video, I used the Got To Be Gel Black. That's like my favorite one. It doesn't leave flakes. Okay guys, so this will be the ending result. Turn around. No, turn this way so you can see the bun. This is the bun. Look how pretty this is, the ribbon. And on the sides, this would be her strand right here on the side. And you could add more water to it. Like this. And just twist. Okay, and the other side, this would be the other side, and this would be the side of her hair. Look how pretty it looks and shiny. And that is all. And look at her beautiful face. Okay, well, thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully you like it, and you could tell your mom to try it on you. Thank you so much. Thanks for the support. Bye-bye. See you next time. Say bye.
Bye, everybody.